In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF link in Wix step by step. This process will help you share documents seamlessly through your Wix website, which can be incredibly useful for providing downloadable resources or detailed information to your visitors. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening your Wix website editor. This is where you'll make all your changes and additions to your site. Once you've accessed your editor, you'll see your website layout with various customizable options. Next, you need to locate the text box where you want to add your PDF link. Simply click on the text box. This is your starting point, as the link will be embedded here for your visitors to access. After selecting the text box, you'll see a range of options appear in the toolbar. One of these options is the Link button. Click on it. This option allows you to turn any text into a hyperlink, making it incredibly versatile for connecting your content to additional resources. Once you click on Link, a new set of options will appear. From these options, you need to click on Web Address. This step is crucial because a PDF link is essentially a web address that takes your users to the document. Now, you'll be required to type in your PDF web address. This is the specific URL where your PDF document is hosted online. You might have this PDF uploaded on a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox, or perhaps it's hosted directly through Wix. Be sure to have that URL ready and double-check for any errors when entering it, as a faulty link could lead to a frustrating experience for users trying to access your PDF. Once you've entered the URL for your PDF, it's time to finalize the process. You'll see a Done button. Go ahead and click it. This saves your changes and officially inserts the hyperlink into your text box that will lead visitors directly to your PDF document. It's always a good idea to test the link yourself. View your website as a visitor would. Click the link and ensure it opens the PDF correctly. If it doesn't, revisit the steps to troubleshoot any issues. And there you have it. That's how you add a PDF link in Wix. By following these instructions, you can effectively enhance your website, offering more dynamic content for your audience. Remember, PDFs are a great way to share detailed, printable information, whether it's for a business, personal blog, or an e-commerce site. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on web design and other useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!